The kids are building with their Lego foundation, the Spike Prime, and they are building several things. They get to work with sensors, they change colors. Right now they're creating what they call a hopper, so it jumps across the room. They have to program it, they have to build it. There's a stop and start, and they stop at one and they get to race to the end to see if they can get their little frog-like thing to jump across the room. The kids are having a great time. We went outside earlier and we did some coding activity outside where they got to do it as a person to learn and talk through the code, and now they're actually putting it into action on the computer and working together and building some great stuff. It's great summer learning. It gives them some engineering, it gives them some creativity, it gives them some group work and collaboration. It's a great way to spend the summer.